Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about fire spreading or heat transmission principles. The fire spreads from one place to another place because of the heat transfer. Once a fire has started, it can spread by four different methods: direct burning, convection, conduction, and radiation. In a real fire situation, all four methods may apply. Direct burning, the simplest method of fire spread, where a flame front moves along or through the burning material. For example, if the corner of a piece of paper catches fire, the flame front will spread across the paper. Convection, the principle that hot air rises and cold air sinks. Hot gases generated by the fire rise and straight up from the fire. For example, inside a building, these hot gases will hit the ceiling and then spread out from the layer underneath the ceiling. When these hot gases touch any combustible materials, they may heat that material up sufficiently so that it burns into a flame. Conduction, the principle that heat can be transmitted through a solid materials. Some metals in particular conduct the heat very efficiently. Example, copper. Any pipes, wires, ducts or services running from the room to room can act as conduits for heat and spread of the fire. Radiation, heat energy can be radiant through air in the form of infrared heat waves, which travels in straight lines and can pass through transparent surfaces. Radiant heat generated by fires shine into nearby surfaces and absorbed. If the material heats up sufficiently, it can burst into flames. Let us summarize these four fire spreading methods. Direct burning, flame front moves along or through the burning material. Conduction, transfer of heat through solid particles. Convection, heated smoke and air particles travel upwards. And radiation, transfer of heat through air particles. Thanks for watching Funny HS Info. For any questions, please text me in comments. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a safe day.